In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a filter to existing emails in Gmail. If your inbox is starting to feel cluttered, filters are one of the easiest ways to stay organized. They help Gmail automatically sort messages based on rules you choose. And in this case, we're also making sure the filter applies to emails that are already sitting in your inbox, not just new ones going forward. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're on the main inbox screen so you can access the search tools at the top of the page. This is where Gmail gives you more advanced options for finding specific emails. Next, go to the search bar and click the slider icon, which opens the advanced search options. This panel lets you build a more precise search, which is important because your filter will be based on the criteria you enter here. Now into the details for the type of emails you want Gmail to target. You can filter by sender, recipient, subject line, or specific words the email contains. You can also exclude messages with certain words, set a size condition, choose a date range, define which mailbox area to search, and decide whether messages should have attachments or include chats. Take a moment here to be as accurate as possible. The better your criteria, the more useful and reliable your filter will be. Once you've entered the conditions you want, click Create Filter. This takes you to the next stage where Gmail lets you decide what should happen to messages that match your search. At this point, you're confirming that these search conditions should become a reusable rule. Now look for the option that says also apply filter to matching conversations and click it. This is the key step if you want the filter to affect emails that already exist in your account. Without selecting this option, the filter will usually apply only to future messages that arrive after the rule is created. After that, click Create Filter again to finish. Gmail will save the filter and apply it to all existing conversations that match the criteria you set. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gmail filter and applied it to emails already in your inbox. If you ever notice that the filter is catching too many messages or not enough, you can always go back and adjust the criteria later. A little fine-tuning can make a big difference, especially if you manage a high volume of email